legend returns. The 2025 Nissan GT-R R38 is here, redefining the future of Japanese supercars with insane power, cutting-edge technology, and a design that screams performance. Buckle up as we take a deep dive into this beast. Nissan has completely reimagined the GT-R, giving the R38 a more futuristic yet aggressive look. The signature V-motion grille is sharper, the LED headlights are slimmer, and the massive rear wing is designed for optimal downforce. With a wide stance, sculpted aerodynamics, and lightweight carbon fiber body panels, the R38 is built for both speed and style. Of course, the iconic circular taillights make a return, but with a modern LED twist. And those quad titanium exhausts? They're tuned for a symphony of power. Now, let's talk power. Under the hood, the GT-R R38 packs a newly developed 3.8-liter twin-turbo V6 hybrid powertrain, pushing out an astonishing 800 horsepower and 750 lp-ft of torque. Yes, you heard that right, 800 horsepower. With the help of a high-performance electric motor, the R38 delivers instant torque, making acceleration absolutely brutal. 0-60 mph, just 2.5 seconds. And the top speed? A mind-blowing 220 mph. Paired with an advanced all-wheel drive system and a lightning-fast dual-clutch transmission, the GT-R R38 grips the road like never before. Whether you're on a track or the streets, this machine is an absolute monster. Step inside, and you'll find a perfect blend of luxury and performance. Premium Alcantara carbon fiber trims and a driver-favorite cockpit make the all-new digital instrument cluster gives you real supercar. The all-new digital instrument cluster gives you real-time performance data, while the massive touchscreen infotainment system comes with the latest Nissan Connect interface, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even a track mode telemetry system. The seats, they're race-inspired bucket seats with improved bolstering, keeping you locked in even at high speeds. The red band is not just a track monster, it's also a technological masterpiece. With multiple drive modes, you can switch from comfort for city cruising to R mode for maximum performance. And for those who love drifting, there's even a drift mode that adjusts power distribution for controlled slides. Now, let's talk numbers. The 2025 Nissan GT-R R38 is expected to start at $150,000, making it a serious competitor to the likes of the Porsche 911 Turbo and Audi R8. Nissan has confirmed that deliveries will begin in late 2025, and pre-orders are already filling up fast. Experts say the range is possible, and reorders are already filling up fast. The 2025 Nissan GT-R R38 is a game-changer. With jaw-dropping performance, advanced hybrid technology, and a design that pays homage to its legendary predecessors, Nissan has once again created a Godzilla for the modern era. What do you think about the new GT-R? Is it worthy of the legendary R38 name? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be alerted when next